Holi has always been the festival of colors, joy, and togetherness. But have we ever paused to ask, are we celebrating it in the right way? From the divine land of Vrindavan to the lively streets of India, Holi was once a sacred tradition, a spiritual experience, a cultural treasure. But today, it is drifting away from the roots. Have we lost the essence of the divine celebration? Let's take a journey back to the true spirit of Holi and rediscover its real meaning, morality, and cultural significance. Holi is not just about colors and celebrations. It is a festival of faith, devotion, and moral righteousness. Rooted in our scriptures, it marks the triumph of good over evil, reminding us of Bhakta Prahlad's unwavering faith and Holika's downfall. But today, are we truly upholding its sacredness? In the land of Sri Krishna, Holi is celebrated as an experience of divine love and joy. The air is filled with bhajans, folk music, and spiritual essence. This was the Holi our ancestors cherished, a celebration that connected the soul with the divine. But today, Holi is losing its sacred touch. Instead of celebrating it with devotion and traditions, many are turning it into a festival of loud music, intoxication, and meaningless revelry. Have we forgotten the values our elders instilled in us? In the name of modernity, we are being misguided by Western influencers, losing the cultural depth and moral teachings that Holi carries. Our traditions are being replaced by a commercialized version that is far from what our ancestors envisioned. But it's not too late. Let's revive our true Holi, one filled with devotion, cultural richness, and respect for tradition. Let's celebrate it as a time of forgiveness, love, and unity, rather than indulgence in materialistic fun. The real joy of Holi lies in its spiritual significance, not in its commercialization. So this Holi, let's pledge to celebrate with values, devotion, and tradition. Let's educate the younger generation, respect our cultural heritage, and ensure that the sacredness of Holi lives on. Share this message, spread awareness, and make this festival truly divine. Wishing you all a blessed and meaningful Holi.